Now, the strategy you're about to learn is based on qualitative analysis on order book mechanics, such as imbalance, liquidity, supply and demand, volume. And this is designed to be not only mechanical and simplistic, but also dynamic, so it'll account for a wide variety of instances of price action. All of the trading you will be learning is all done on a single time frame on the 5-minute chart, which does solve massive problems caused by multi-time frame analysis, including low backtest capability, poor psychology, complexity, large workloads, and having a fixed bias, which is often incorrect just because you are actually looking at compressed data when you're looking at higher time frames to use as your bias. Now, I've traded and tested this strategy over years of data, and it is based on core market mechanics, guys, which means it should withstand the tests of time. Now, although I trade the 5-minute chart and the 5-minute chart alone, that doesn't mean you have to, guys. You can actually take my blueprint and apply it to any time frame or market you want. It does work better on lower time frames simply because we are looking at fresh volume created through banks during the trading sessions. But like I said, it can be applied to other markets and timeframes if you wish. Now, the markets that we focus in on, guys, are the euro dollar, the US 30, and the dollar yen, as you may already know by now if you've been with me for a while. Now, these are the highest volume markets in the world. They have the highest liquidity and the highest efficiency, which means the imbalance gets mitigated entirely the majority of the time, and it allows our extreme order blocks to get rejected more often. Now, we will be taking into account all price action to make our decisions, but we will only be looking for trades from the London Open, which is at 8 a.m. GMT. We'll also be avoiding the 2 hours between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m. GMT. This is what we call spread hours, which is the rollover period of the Forex market and when spread goes astronomical. Now, as we are going to be using low time frames, guys, you do need to be using a broker that has low spread just so you don't get taken out of your trades prematurely. Now, you can find brokers such as Vantage, which only have 2 tick spreads on the euro dollar, which is amazing for what we're trading. And prop firms like MFF and FTMO have very low spreads on their Forex and indices as well. I also want to recommend keeping capital risks between 0.25% and 1%, just so you're not hitting drawdown restrictions or blowing your account. And like I said earlier, guys, use this strategy as a blueprint or guide for your own trades. You don't have to copy it entirely. You can pick and choose what you want to incorporate into your own trading plan.